Squad.
Can I join the Goon Squad? I'm joking.
Alright.
Can I join the Goon Squad?
I bet
The
he
people
does.
I'm with quite literally made a
Oh,
server
crap.
for the...
Oh, it dinged.
It dinged!
So
Now what do you do? What goes on there?
Let me type.
So
Nah, I'm not done writing that Radiostatic fanfic.
Oh, Dennis the Menace, bro. Oh my god, I remember Dennis the Menace, bro. Yo, Dylan, why you look like Dennis the Menace, bro?
he's kind of cheeked up.
Okay, bro.
He's Roscoe McQueen.
Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen.
Lightning machine.
Really good person. I was really yeah. Let me see your that. I'm vending machine.
Oh my
It's
god.
a very interesting fanfic.
Nah, I ain't done.
Nah. What the? Nah, your free trial has expired.
That's it.